Alright, so I'm gonna put the intake on. It's gonna be the cleanest thing inside the engine bay. Alright, so instructions. Let's see what we got here. Woo! Pretty. And it's going in this muddy little compartment here. Alright, here we go. Towel, didn't want to mess up the truck. I'm a little sweaty. Just 2 screws there. Ooh, it's actually cool. Grab that one. That's what happens when you put things back in the wrong spot, or let other people use your tools. Just removing these metal grommets here. That way I can get these bushings out. I guess we gotta use those. Alright, so here's parts that we took out. So now we're gonna unbox this and put it in here. I'm not doing this in the garage today because we got the Golf R in the garage. Excuse the mess. Let's see what we got. Whew, it's like Christmas. Love new stuff. Damn, would you look at that? Whew. Sexy. So I think this is the first part that we need so we can put those grommets in here. Okay. See how this goes in. Ta-da! Okay, we got the airbox in the truck. Oh, ABS showed up. I wonder if that's my new cover for the tent since mine got ripped.
Guess what? You don't ship nothing out every day. You got to be consistent, dude. You can't just ship out. Yeah. Hey, how's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
There you go.
Sweet deal. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
Ooh, what is that? All right. Ta-da. All right, let's rev this bad boy up. Sounds amazing.